My name is Logan Cadella, and this is my final project on the skyscrapers dataset. Abstraction. The abstraction used in this project is various details about the skyscrapers in many major cities. The properties being used in this project are as follows. Height in meters of each skyscraper, which is represented by a float. Both the year started and the year completed, which are both represented by an integer. The location of each skyscraper, which is a city represented by a string. A limitation on this dataset is that it only uses skyscrapers in the United States. This is the data map. Each item in the skyscrapers list is a dictionary that contains an integer denoting the building's numeric ID, a string denoting the material the building is made out of, a string denoting the building's name, and 4 dictionaries called location, purposes, statistics, and status. In this project, the city property in the location dictionary, the height property in the statistics dictionary, and both year properties in their respective dictionaries within the status dictionary are used. Question 1. What is the distribution of height of completed skyscrapers in New York City and Chicago? As shown by the following 2 histograms, New York City beats Chicago in both the number of completed skyscrapers as well as having a higher distribution of skyscrapers. Question 2. How is the height of a skyscraper in New York City related to how many years it took to complete? As shown by the scatter plot above, there is very little relationship between the height of a skyscraper and the number of years it took to complete. The limitation on this set of data is that the time the skyscrapers were started and completed are only as specific as the year, not including months and days in the value. Question 3. How many skyscrapers over 150 meters are there in various cities in the United States? As shown by the graph above, New York City is the clear winner with over 200 skyscrapers over 150 meters, while Nashville has only 1 skyscraper fitting that criterion. The social impacts. Cities with higher concentration of skyscrapers almost always are more densely populated. The stakeholders are tourists, as in people who will want to visit places that have more noteworthy buildings, such as large skyscrapers, and architects, as cities with higher populations will need more skyscrapers and they need to be sturdy enough to withstand earthquakes. Taller skyscrapers are more impressive and have potentially more functions than shorter buildings, so, as the population of the world grows, more skyscrapers will need to be built. The end. I have neither given nor received unauthorized assistance on this assignment.